Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of the most famous Greek recipes ever, Avgolemono Soup. It's a chicken soup with an egg and lemon sauce. It's one of my most favorite recipes and I can't wait to show you how to make it. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make this delicious Avgolemono soup. For more of my recipes, check out my website, mysweetgreek.com, and my other videos here. And the next time you have lemons, don't make lemonade, make Avgolemono.